Sanibonani kusawuphumlani futhi lo njengoba ngihlezi ngisho kimi angifuni ukuchitha isikhathi ngifuna ukuhlala odabeni njengamanje la ngingene ku-Easy Easyequities USD lapho-ke esizobe si-check-a khona angeke ngikhulume ngamanye ama-shares ami right now mina into engiyithanda isikhathi esiningi it's always about crypto. So I just want to show you Coinbase. Now Coinbase it's a company that deals with cryptocurrencies. Idila nje nama-crypto. So njengamanje ngifuna ukukutshengisa nje ukuthi this company ibi-trade kumalini. Let's say 6 months ago. This crypto it's been like bathi yini lento ngegama lesingisi. Bathi ibiwu-$80 ngo-14 September 2023. Njengamanje is trading around $250. Uyayibona lento leyo. So guys, ama-cryptocurrencies anama-markets awo. So don't stress ukuthi iphansi iyadropa iyafluctuate. Crypto though iyohlezi iyaphezulu, but it's gonna take time. That's why I'm always preaching the word. They say asifundeni, learn how to use this app properly so that you can able to make money with it. Uyabo iyenzeka imali futhi iyalahleka imali. It's just that the apps that you need to be patient. If you check about it, mina nje I bought this thing ngathenga yodwa futhi and ngiyayisola kodwa-ke anginankinga, at least I bought encane yabo. So whatever I'm getting I'm happy with it. Yabo, but-ke ama-cryptocurrencies guys are the future and futhi akukho okunye engisazokusho. Into engihlezi ngisho futhi yekani ukuthanda izinto ey'sheshayo. This thing it takes time, like you see here from 14 September 2023 it was $80 or maybe let's say $60, but now it's sitting on $251. So lokho kutshengisana ukuthi it take time from October to December to January to March, yabo. So don't rush izinto. Awukazi watshala isihlahla namhlanje ufuna ukuvuna kusasa. Utshala isihlahla because you have unethemba lokuthi one day uzokudla lokho okukhule kusihlahla, uyabo. So ayikho into esizoyipreacher kakhulu. I'm just sharing the simple knowledge. So asibonge kakhulu.